Okay, so here I'm going to explain what I was talking about earlier in how to write an email. I have a copy of the notes up on the side, so that way you guys can see what I'm referring to. I also added one thing. So how to write an email. You go to compose and your to. That is who the email goes to. So let's say I'm gonna send one to Mr. Scarpace. Okay. If I want to copy somebody, if I want to have somebody have the same email, so we can send one to Mr. Garcia, okay, that's if I want them to see who's getting it. If I don't want anybody to see, I'm going to send a blind carbon copy, okay, BCC, I'll add Mrs. Nelson. So Mrs. Nelson will see that Mr. Garcia and Mr. Scarpace have this email. However, Mr. Scarpace and Mr. Garcia will not see that Mrs. Nelson has it, okay. So you can add a carbon copy, or you can add another person by just adding a comma, okay? Your subject, that is what the email is going to discuss. So this is the PE department, so we're going to talk about PE activities. That's just an example. Remember, the subject is a small caption about what the email is going to say, okay? Your body here, that has all of the information that you're going to write. Hello, this is an email about PE. I will attach a syllabus and link an assignment. Just an example, okay? If you want to attach files from your computer, again, you go to the bottom paper clip and you can attach anything from your computer. If you want to attach something from your Google Drive, you'll go to this triangle and you could add anything that you have in your Google Drive. If you want to insert a link, this is what I was explaining to you guys about Canva. So this Canva link, for example, okay? So again, when you have a website open, it has this whole entire thing, right? And instead of having that whole entire assignment or that whole entire web address, you can just add this so that you don't have to have that. This looks much nicer and much more organized, right? Again, the link is the broken oval. Okay, down here it says insert link. If you want to add a signature to your email, you're going to go to settings. We'll minimize this. See all settings. You're going to scroll down to where it says signature, and you can type in this box over here. Leaving that or adding that will allow a signature to be sent to the end of every email from a computer. If you're sending it from your phone, it won't add that. When you're done, so it'll go to your drafts if you have to click on other things. When you're done, make sure you send it. So your assignment is to send me the Canva link that you created to your teacher. Okay, remember that you're going to BCC blind carbon copy me at the bottom, and you're going to add a link like this one. Don't add the whole text. Make it look nice and neat for your teacher to look at, okay? Please email me if you have any more questions.